Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this beautiful, super easy and cute crochet cat and fish bookmark. That's very easy to do and it's made by two pieces and then we attach these two pieces together. For making that we need two colors of a category 2 yarn, number 30mm hook, some scissors, yarn needle and a multi-purpose glue. Let's do that. I'm going to make the first piece with making a magic ring. Place the yarn on these two fingers and hold that with my thumb. And now I'm going to wrap the yarn around two fingers. Go behind of the fingers and then go at the front of them and pass it over the first thread so that an X is worked. And again, go behind of the fingers and hold the working yarn between my pinky and ring finger. Now I'm going to turn the hand to the back and insert the hook under the first loop, grab the second one and pull it through, and then I'm going to twist my hook and go behind of the working yarn and pull it through to create one chain. And now our magic ring is finished and we're going to pull this beginning tail to make the magic ring a little bit smaller. And now I'm going to wrap the yarn, the working yarn, around my pinky from front to back and then pull that and hold that at top of my index from back to front and hold the magic ring between these two fingers. And I'm going to start with making another two chains because we've made the first chain and now we're going to make another chain, yarn over, pull through, and then again yarn over, pull through to create next chain. And now we have three chains. These three chains count as the first double crochet. Then we're going to make another double crochet into the magic ring. To make a double crochet, yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring and grab the yarn and pull it through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops on the hook, and now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through the next 2 loops to create next double crochet into the magic ring. After that we're going to make a treble crochet. To make a treble crochet, I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook 2 times and then go to the magic ring, insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the working yarn and pull it through. And now we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops to have 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on the hook and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and that's the treble crochet. And after that we're going to make another 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, go to the ring, pull up a loop from that to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Repeat that work. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring and pull a loop from that to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops to create next double crochet. And now we're going to make the first ear of the cat. So make 1, 2 and 3 chains. Then insert the hook between 2 loops of the last double crochet just made and under this vertical bar and grab the yarn, pull it through and then pull that through this loop to create 1 slip stitch and the first ear is ready. After that we're going to make 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Again, repeat that work, make next double crochet into the magic ring, and repeat that work one more time, make the 3rd double crochet into the magic ring. And now we're going to make another ear for our cat. So make 1 chain, yarn over, pull through 2 chains, yarn over, pull through 3 chains, and again make 1 slip stitch into this double crochet. So insert the hook between these 2 loops at top of the last double crochet just made here, and then under this vertical bar grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull that through this loop on the hook to create slip stitch, and the 2nd ear of the cat is ready. Then make 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, pull up a loop from the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. After that, make 1 treble crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, and pull up a loop from that to have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and then make 2 double crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over, go to the ring and pull a loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat that work one more time. Make the last double crochet into the magic ring. Now I'm going to close the magic ring, so grab this beginning tail and pull that tightly to close the magic ring, and our cat is ready. Without making any slip stitch, I'm going to start the string of the bookmark. So make 50 chains, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and continue chaining to reach 50 chains in total. After working all of 50 chains, we're going to make 1 slip stitch into each of them except the first one. So skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull that through the loop on the hook to create 1 slip stitch. Again, go to the next chain between 2 loops of that, grab the yarn, pull it through, pull through the loop on the hook. Again, go to the next chain, pull the yarn, and pull that through this loop, and continue making slip stitches into each of these 49 chains. Now our string is ready, and we're going to make 1 slip stitch into the 3rd chain of beginning chains of the cat. So insert the hook into the 3rd chain from 3 chains, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull through this loop on the hook to create 1 slip stitch and finish the first piece. Now I'm going to make a chain and cut the yarn, pull that and tighten that, and then we're going to hide these 2 tails through the work. Now I'm going to start the 2nd piece with the 2nd yarn. So make 1 magic ring with the 2nd yarn, and make 1 chain, and now I'm going to make another chain, and now we have 2 chains as the first half double crochet. Then I'm going to make 4 half double crochets into the magic ring. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop to have 3 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through all these 3 loops on the hook to create 1 half double crochet. Again, yarn over, go to the ring, pull up a loop from that to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. One more time, make next half double crochet into the magic ring, and after that make the last half double crochet into the magic ring. Now we have 2 chains as the first half double crochet and 4 half double crochets after that. Then I'm going to make 3 double crochets. To make a double crochet, yarn over, go to the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat that work 2 more times. 1 and 2. Then again work 5 half double crochets. Yarn over, go to the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Again, go to the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and repeat that work 3 more times to have 5 half double crochets in total. And now we're going to close the magic ring. So grab this beginning tail and pull that to close the ring, pull it tightly, and then work 1 slip stitch into the 2nd chain of beginning 2 chains. Insert the hook into that and make 1 slip stitch. Then work 7 chains, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go to the same chain, the second chain of the beginning of the round, and work 1 slip stitch. One more time, make 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go to the same chain again and work 1 slip stitch, and our fish is ready. Now make a chain and cut the yarn, pull that and tighten that. Then I'm going to hide these 2 tails through the work. Now I'm going to stick the fish on the end of the string. So with a multi-purpose glue, stick the center of the magic ring to the end of the string. And now our beautiful crochet cat and fish bookmark is ready. I hope you like that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Have a nice day.